Hey guys, I'm Neon Cat.
And I'm Melon Cat.
Move out the way, Melon Cat, or I will diarrhea your whole family. And anyway, we are going to be talking about
Mama.
What should we talk about, Melon Cat? We talked about this.
Yo mama.
I will diarrhea your whole family. So we'll be talking about school, I guess. School, I guess. But anyway, we'll be talking about school. School. School's fun. School's cool. School's fun. School's chill. Just kidding. I went to school once. I'm 48. I wish I went to school again. Just kidding. Those kids literally diarrheaed my whole family. Melon Cat, what's your best school experience?
Jam.
I loved lunch because I'm
A ugly
Neon Cat. Anyway.
Hey Neon Cat, can you get me please?
Fine.
Yum.
I can't believe you went to Diarrhea Land.
That was horrible.
I know, right? I swallowed it. Technical difficulties. But anyway.
I got a P in math.
You got a P in math?
Like I'm gonna.
That is so dumb. How did you get P in math?
Because you're an idiot.
Sorry, I'm hiding from him. So guys, don't tell him that I got an E in math. Anyway.
Yo, mama fat.
Anyway, guys. I got a secret to tell you. I love the smell of markers and diarrhea.
Hello, guys.
Boop, 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 boop.
Pow.
Anyways, I swallowed it. I swallowed diarrhea. No, Cat? Okay. Anyway, so guys, talking about school, my favorite subject is either lunch, recess, gym, or math. I hate ELA though. It sucks. I hate writing with my stupid little small hands.